Shiba Inu is creeping back into the green with a couple hours away from the Bitcoin halving. We have some exciting news for Shiba Inu and why you might want to load up a bag at these last super low prices. Before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, smash the subscribe button to reach your 2024 crypto goals. I'm gonna wait for you to do it. Go down there and smash it below. While you're there, hit the like button as it helps out the channel tremendously. Again, literally April 19th is the Bitcoin halving. April 20th is Doge Day. Yes, Shiba Inu is not a Doge, but it's a part of that whole Doge universe, and it launched off, and the success of it launched off of Dogecoin success. So we gotta pay homage to that very special day. Let's take a look at what's going on with Shiba Inu coin. We can see we're down about 2% on the day right now, and looks like by the time this video gets posted, we might be actually up, because look at this patterns, guys. Look at the charts. We can see some upward trajectory, some upward price action coming Shiba Inu's way. And we can see some exciting things happening for Shiba Inu. That price reversal looks imminent, as we're seeing in the chart. Look at that, beautiful. It was in a crazy downtrend and really picked up at 12 o'clock, going in that upward trajectory. Again, there's been selling going on right now in the most recent candles, but I think we are going to rebound this one. On the day, we're down about 2%. On the week, we're down about a whopping 19%, and the month, a whopping 24%. However, in the past 6 months, we're still up 224%. And I said this in the last video as well, guys. When in doubt, zoom out and you realize you see a broader picture. Those of us who got in early are making a solid bag and earning a handsome reward for getting in simply early. That's why it's so important to get into these cryptocurrencies early. And we're talking about early. Let's talk about a gem that's currently on pre-sale right now that you absolutely don't want to miss out on. And this one is DOGEVERSE. They're taking the internet by storm. This is the DOGEVERSE, is the first Doge meme coin token built on a multi-chain network spanning from Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, Solana, AVAX, and Base. Welcome the Doge, the multi-chain traveling Dogecoin. Again, guys, this one's absolutely awesome. You're not going to want to miss out, and you might want to load up a bag as these pre-sale coins go absolutely ballistic. And with this being one of the first of its kind, being a multi-chain Dogecoin, this could be absolutely insane for early investors, and you don't want to miss out. With staking, getting it early, they've already raised $6.3 million. It's absolutely insane. One day until the price spike, so buy now before the price rises. The world's first chain traveling Doge. Again, those of us who get in early are going to make a solid bag. We've seen very popular these pre-sale coins be very popular when people get in early, so you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. We see it's a multi-chain on ETH, on BNB, on Polygon, AVAX, and coming soon to Solana and Base. Cosmos, the chain hopping Doge, the multiverse chain token, launch on 6 stellar chains. Again, it's very cool as well how it's going to take advantage of being on multiple different chains. You're not going to want to miss out on this one. The multi-bridge DOGEVERSE token will be launched on Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, Solana, AVAX, utilizing superior bridge technology. DOGEVERSE will just seamlessly be multi-chain in a few clicks. They have a solid roadmap in place with 5 different phases to eventually end on a big centralized exchange listings, continue marketing and incentivizing the community. So if you want to be a part of those incentives, you got to join in now. They also have staking as well, guys, with a dynamic range. Again, you could earn on your Doge, currently given a 164% AP. Where are you going to get these rewards anywhere else? You may want to load up a bag, and like I keep saying, guys, those of us who get in early are the ones who reap the most of the project. So make sure you go ahead and grab a bag. I'm gonna link in the description below. Like always, not financial advice, but take a look in the description. Now let's go back to looking at Shiba Inu. As you see, the market cap is currently sitting at $13 billion. With trading volumes at 600 million. This is not too shabby. Great to see for Shiba Inu. In terms of news, a lot of great headlines, and I think this is why we're seeing the price rise. We're going to take a look at some articles in just a moment, but just taking a look at some of the headlines. Shiba Inu price forecast, potential bullish bounce at gold ratio, Shiba Inu super cycle, internal optics break, BTC halving nears, diamond hands, 75% of Shiba Inu holders retain Shib for over 1 year. That's that's very bullish. Shiba Inu in recovery mode as open interest surge. Shiba Inu burns on fire again, because last time again we covered Shiba Inu, we're seeing lots of burns for Shiba Inu. And in terms of technicals, guys, we can see a summary is showing to sell, oscillators are in neutral, and the moving averages are also in sell. But again, like I said, I wouldn't take this to heart. This is obviously just taking the data based on what's happening right now in the market, but I think this might be a great opportunity to load up a bag. Now I want to highlight this article as well. Huge increase in Shiba Inu burn rate, can Shib price rebound? Because again, guys, what's happening with the burns? They're reducing supply while simultaneously increasing demand. Less Shiba Inu in the market, more people want to buy Shiba Inu. What's that going to do? It's going to cause the price to rise. We see almost 800 million Shib tokens were removed from circulation in the past 7 days. The Shiba Inu burn rate exploded again. An effort aimed to reduce their asset circulating supply and make Shib more valuable in time. However, the price remains deep in red territory amid an overall market collapse. But do we think these burns are going to help the price of Shiba Inu launch? I definitely think so, and definitely believe so in our favorite dog theme token. Now, that pretty much wraps up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed and were able to learn something new and got some new news out of this. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, as it helps out the channel tremendously. Like always, not financial advice. But again, we have some bullish days ahead for Shiba Inu. I want you guys to let me know how you guys are feeling in the comment section below. That pretty much wraps up the video. And until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.